How to turn off Always On display on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the Always On display feature on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. While this feature can be super helpful, it might also drain your battery faster than you'd like. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Once you're inside Display and Brightness, scroll all the way down until you see the option for Always On display. Tap on it. You'll now see a few options you can customize. If you don't want your wallpaper to show when the screen is off, just toggle off Show Wallpaper. Want to stop notifications from appearing on the Always On screen? No problem, toggle off Show Notifications. But if you want to completely disable the Always On display feature, just turn off the main Always On display switch at the top of the screen. And that's how you can turn off Always On display on iPhone 16 Pro Max, with just a few taps. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.